Hello everybody, welcome back to Wild Sunny Farms. I'm Grayson here today with a brand new video, and let's hop right into it and dig it, and let's start. Today we're going to be talking about Apivar. It is a Apivar strips for in hive control of mites, varroa mites, and varroa mite site now on honeybees. About the redirections. It says to remove honey supers whenever, like before you use the treatment. And it also says use 2 Apivar strips per brood chamber, 1 strip per 5 frame of bees. Separate the double strip and hang each strip between the 2 combs from inside the brood area or the bee cluster. So what is Apivar? Apivar is just another one of those brands that is treatment for varroa mite destructor. Destroy varroa mite. However you want to say it. I'm gonna read the do not reuse or refill this container. But Apivar, we're gonna be doing another video pretty soon. It'll be our how to use this. It might be in a year or two, because right now here it's fall. I think we might do it in the fall, so it might be this year, and we're gonna do some spring, probably next spring is coming up. But I'm gonna be doing some other videos also about preparing for winter, because winter is 3 or 4 months away. You gotta be prepared. It's just around the corner, and you don't expect it, it's here, and we're not prepared. We gotta get our bees prepared, and I'll be talking about that in a different video. And we'll be out there feeding our bees. We gotta get them ready for winter. So check out, please subscribe to the channel. Notifications, free, easy, click a button so you do not miss another video. So let's get back to it. So what it says is okay, leave strips inside the hive for 42 days, which I think that's about 4 weeks. I think maybe that's just like a month. And then remove in case of movement inside the beehive far from the strips. 14 more days. Strips. And it also says do not reuse the strips. It also says do not use Apivar strips when honey supers are present. So we do not use this if there is a honey super on. Unless because like, that might poison the honey, or I don't know if it's really poison. I think there's safety warnings or something if you're gonna eat it. Right, we have honey supers on it now. It has some honey in it, but we're gonna save that for the bees. So sorry to interrupt the video, but I wanted to let you know to please subscribe with the bell, and please get me to 1,000 subscribers, and that would help me really a lot. And please comment in the description below, and let's get back to the video. I have no laws, so I don't think we do, so I think we'll be okay by using this. But if you live somewhere, like I said, and where you have laws for beekeeping, because some states have laws, like Illinois or something up there, like I don't know where, but just make sure you are somewhere where you do not have laws. If you do have laws, just read directions, read what it says about like laws and stuff like that. But other than that, but for varroa destructor mites, but then it has all first aid, preliminary statements, and then storage and disposal. Put it in a cool, dry area, out sunlight, and away from other processes that may contaminate the strips. But I just wanted to show this. We're gonna be doing some more series about beekeeping treatments, all that different stuff, and I'm gonna be doing a video later in the future about I'm gonna judge all of the treatments, and I'm gonna do. I guess I'll try to study on that, and I'll let you know how everything goes well on the YouTube channel and on the blogs. And also check out the blog. Please follow the blog and comment if you want to. Check out all that stuff. We put announcements on there sometimes. We haven't put any new announcements, but pretty soon we probably will put some new announcements. So check out that. Check out YouTube channel. Like I said, subscribe and notifications. Click the button. It's free, easy, simple. I don't want you to miss out on a brand new beekeeping video that you probably need to know. You going out with know that I did 5 videos for a month, and you had no idea because you're not subscribed. So please subscribe. Channel bell help me a lot, get me 1,000 subscribers. But I just wanted to talk about Apivar treatment for varroa mites destructor. I'm Grayson. And